Have you ever tried to get out of a gym membership? It's ridiculous. It is damn near impossible. Have you ever tried to get out of a real estate contract? Hey, I'm Rebecca Larson, a real estate attorney in California, working with buyers and sellers throughout the state in their real estate transactions. Did you know that most people in California don't use a real estate attorney when they're buying or selling property? It's true. You've got a 13-page contract and no one really knows what's in there. I work with you and your agent to make sure that you don't get screwed. There are things that you might not pay attention to because you're just really excited about buying this house, and you should be. A real estate attorney can make sure that they look at the fine details, make sure that your assets are being protected. Listen, I get it. You're really excited, but there's a ton of pressure to perform, and you want to do it right. So let's do it right. Let me help you protect your assets. Give me a call at the number below.